$1 bills, and I've got about 5 of them here, into $20 bills. It's not magic. It's just our job. It gets a little muddy though sometimes on third-party plans. We don't know exactly how to turn a $1 bill into $20 bills. Seems a little bit more complicated than it actually appears. So let's go to the board and figure this out. A lot of plans these days have a wholesale frame allowance and a retail frame allowance, and that's where it gets confusing. Anything below the wholesale frame allowance, and this is just, I just threw some numbers up here, but anything below the wholesale frame allowance, you just have to accept the frame allowance. Anything above, we have this interesting little formula, which is retail minus the allowance times 0.8 equals the copay, which we also get on top of the basic allowance. So we're going to turn our magic $1 bill into a $20 bill. How are we going to do that? Let's add $1 to this frame. If we add $1 to that frame, we get a $58 frame. We multiply that times whatever your markup is. In this case, let's say 3. We multiply it times 3, we get $174. Now we have to plug in our little formula. 174 minus the allowance of 150 equals $24 times the 0.8. It comes out to about 19.2, which is pretty darn close. You just turned a $1 bill into a $20 bill. And it wasn't magic, it was just math.